My wing shipped in this big box. It's huge. It's actually really lightweight. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and take a look at it. Go ahead. Don't want to cut the actual wing or anything. Oh wow. This right here is basically like your instructions and template. Kind of shows you like what you need to do, where you need to drill, stuff like that. Of course, you got the hardware. So cool. I'm not going to take it out until I install it, but it's really well packaged and stuff like that to prevent scratches. Okay, so the bolts are 10mm, but they have a Phillips head on it. I got a 3-inch extension Milwaukee bit with a Phillips bit, so we're just going to attach that real quick, take it all out of the bags, and then get it built. Okay, so the paint match is pretty good. They did a good job. No imperfections, no spider webbings. It's actually really good. Got to attach these to the bottom of the wing, and then we're going to attach the cover. So it should be pretty simple. There's a lot of videos and tutorials on how to do it on YouTube. That's kind of how I learned how to do it. So I'm not really going to make a tutorial. I'm just kind of showing you what to expect when you buy it. Yo, so right now we're test fitting the wing. So I do have this lip right here, and there is enough clearance to keep both. I know a lot of people like take that lip off and then do the wing, but I actually kind of like the look of it. So far it looks really dope. Definitely more aggressive. And right now the template they gave me is actually trash. The instructions were pretty straightforward and that was great, but the template they gave me just didn't really, like the screw holes didn't match the bottom of the wing, so I'm gonna have to basically make my own template. Shouldn't be hard. What I was gonna do is just what other people did on the internet, trace the outside and then find the holes, tape it on my car so I know where to drill, if that makes any sense. But it was a very straightforward installation, honestly. The template didn't match. What I did is I just took like a lead construction pencil. I don't know if you can tell. Oh yeah, you can tell. Those are the marks where I have to drill for the top. But the problem is the bottom. Matching it up to know exactly where I have to drill out. I do have an extension bit, so it's not gonna be too hard. What I want to do is actually probably like put some shit here, because there's going to be a lot of metal flakes. I don't want the paint to scratch or come in liner, but we're going to go ahead and figure a solution out for that. This is like a old window spring, and it's going to catch the metal flakes perfectly. So figured that out. Let's go ahead and start drilling. Okay, so once the holes are drilled, make sure you seal it. I got the exact paint match, crystal black silica, just to seal the paint, make sure no rust will happen. Just better precautions, honestly. Tempted to even seal the new holes we had to make for clearance on the torsion bar, but probably best to, just to, like I said, prevent rust and stuff. Okay, so she is on 100%. Got them screwed in nice and tight. Gonna go ahead and seal that with my touch-up paint, guys. I actually just used the 3M and stuff. It's on there real good. The thing is literally, I mean, like the car is shaking with the fucking wing, so it ain't going anywhere at all. Other than that, looks good. It's kind of what it looks like when you're driving. Let's say if you're looking in the rearview mirror, this is exactly the angle it presents itself. Just gonna give you a quick little walk around of what she looks like with the wing on. I know she needs a little bit of a wash, but I'll do that another day because I gotta let the paint that's sealing the holes dry up. So looks really good. I talked about it when I first purchased the car that I didn't think the back was very aggressive as the front is. The side profiles are good too. So I added the vortex generator, obviously the wing. Now the next step is going to be some new lights, more aggressive looking lights. Other than that, after that's done, I'm not really going to do anything exterior anymore. I'm going to start working on performance modifications. Later on, I'm going to try to get a wide body kit, but that's not going to happen anytime too soon because there's still other project cars that I have in my yard. And like I said in one of the videos I uploaded not too long ago, I have 2 cars that I still need to sell, and I got a 1973 Project Mustang I got to put more time into, and this was just kind of like a fun little quick mod. It's a very simple, straightforward installation. Like I said, if you guys want a true tutorial, there's a couple of good ones on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and talk to you guys later. Yo, shout outs to the homie Tony the motherfucking Tiger. And let's go ahead and talk about something real quick. My homie hit me up on Snapchat when I posted a picture of the car with the wing on it, and he asked me what kind of other performances I want to do. So I definitely, like I just said in the previous clip, wide body kit in the future, but that's really later on. Realistically, I forgot to mention this. New wheels. But according to my nipples, Summertime's obviously officially over. They used to be all, soft, plump. Now they're hard, can break diamonds. Washington State has crazy ass winters. My all seasons have great traction. Gonna keep them on, but later when it gets warm again in the spring, get some new wheels. And then obviously before that, the new tail lights. As far as performances are concerned, I'm looking into bigger turbos right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys next time. I'm about to eat some dank macaroni and cheese. Check out that cheese pool. I'm using a spoon. Well, yeah, it's really good. I put extra cheese on it and shit. Hope you guys have a good one, and seriously though, see you later.